Hello PMI, I'm Patty Azzarello, and I am really excited to have an opportunity to share with you this topic of taking control of your own career destiny. No one cares about your career more than you do. And what I want to share with you are some of the just kind of crazy things that happened to me in my own career and how I figured out that there are indeed practical things that you can do to take back control and to create your own breakthroughs. So there'll be practical ideas about things you can do in terms of showing up in a more intentional way, and also some risks and obstacles that tend to pop up and surprise you that it's important to have a strategy to figure out how you're going to navigate those. So I can't wait to share these ideas with you, and I'm super excited that I'll be able to see you at your 25th anniversary of the symposium. So I will see you there in Denver on April 14th.